My name is Susanna. I'm a nurse. I have done my nursing administration and hospital administration from Chennai. I worked in different places like India and abroad. Couple of years in Europe. I have all that experience. I'm with WorkHard for the past 11 years. My main job was helping HR in recruiting people, the relevant experienced people, then introducing them to the system, little initial training and do their competency assessment. Based on their competency, train the nurses. Now you don't know the medicine is not there, so you will replace it immediately. If the oxygen is not there, you will replace it immediately. You know, because that diaphragm is not moving. Can you see the diaphragm? It should move. WorkHard Hospital is now #1 in the healthcare. Hospital is actually patient-centered, evidence-based care providers. Especially in nursing, we had a lot of help from Boston, that is partners or Harvard Medical International. WorkHard is a IT-based hospital. You will see practically all nurses, or at least 90% of the nurses are computer savvy. All our hospitals are accredited by the NABH certification. Now, other beauty of our WorkHard Hospital, we have dedicated quality team for it, which is headed by Dr. Clive and Sister Rani, and all of us are a part of it. WorkHard, be it nursing, be it doctors and other employees also. The training is one thing they always appreciated, and of course the top management's commitment into quality is well appreciated by them. I teach them how to take care of the patient with a caring attitude. Show me the CE. You have kept it on patient. This valve was here, no? This will be like, you will keep it tight. This will be little movable because your patient will shake the head also, it's okay like. And other things what I focus on, safety of the patient. If my nurse is not trained or she is careful, and every day she has to be very careful about what she is doing. Look like means 1 or 2 drugs will look like. So if that label says be conscious, you have to look again. And we have a policy in nursing actually, we mean don't do harm to the injured again. The patients are very sick, so don't deliberately or by mistakenly do any harm to them. For that, the nurses should be very vigilant. They should be competent enough, and they should know every policy of the hospital and especially the safety protocols. So I train them on that most of the time.